How to fix Fortnite update stuck on queued on Epic Games. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, it is being queued when I download it. So I'll simply click on cross mark on the right side of queued and cancel it. After doing that, I'll again click on Fortnite in Epic Games and then try downloading the app again. As you can see, it has been downloaded. It is being downloaded. If this does not work, you can simply go to Task Manager and click on Processes. You'll find Fortnite in here. After you find Fortnite in here, click on it and you'll find these options. Click on End Task and then try restarting your device and your problem will be solved. And that's how you fix Fortnite update stuck on queued on Epic Games. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.